putting a full stop to period overuse. Hello learners, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a common issue in written English, the overuse of periods. That's right, we're putting a full stop to period overuse. As simple as it may seem, the period, or full stop, can cause quite a confusion when not used properly. Let's dive in and see how we can avoid this common mistake. First things first, let's talk about what a period is. In English grammar, a period is used at the end of a complete sentence. It's a punctuation mark that signals the end of a thought or idea. While it seems straightforward, it's important not to overuse periods, because it can make your writing choppy and difficult to read. The most common mistake with period use is using a period after every phrase. This can make your writing look more like a list of thoughts, rather than a cohesive paragraph. Remember, periods should be used at the end of a complete thought or sentence, not after every few words. Let's look at an example. Here is a sentence that overuses periods. I went to the store. I bought apples. I also bought oranges. While technically these are all complete sentences, they could be combined into one, smoother sentence. I went to the store and bought apples and oranges. This sentence flows better, and uses periods appropriately. A common misconception is that more periods make writing more formal. However, this isn't the case. Excessive use of periods can actually make your writing harder to read. To maintain formality, focus on proper sentence structure, correct use of vocabulary, and clarity of ideas. Now, how can we avoid overusing periods? Here are a few tips. 1. Combine related ideas into a single sentence using conjunctions like and, but, or so. 2. Use other punctuation marks, like commas and semicolons, to break up longer sentences. 3. Read your work aloud. If there are too many stops in your reading, you might be overusing periods. That's it for today's lesson. Learners, remember, while periods are a fundamental part of written English, they can be overused. Always strive for balance in your sentence structure and use of punctuation marks. As you practice, you'll get a better feel for when to use periods and when to combine thoughts into one sentence. Keep practicing, and happy writing!